Hi there. Today we are going to be making a cup of coffee using V60 filter method. So first off, you will need a V60 dripper. This is the ceramic version. You will need V60 coffee paper filters. This is the 01. You can make 1 to 2 cups with this size. Gooseneck kettle, a hand grinder. So this is a Time More brand, and I find it to be really good, and it has very consistent grind sizes. A scale, so you can pretty much get this anywhere. It's pretty affordable. A cup. I always brew my V60 in a keep cup so that I can carry it anywhere I go. I'm using Costa Rica for this time, and I just bought like a 250 gram. It's medium roast. So that's pretty much all you need, and let's make a cup of coffee. Thank you, and enjoy the video.